Are you looking for the best air fryer to cook up some delicious and healthy meals? Look no further than our latest video, where we've compiled a list of the best air fryers of 2023. Our team has tested and reviewed a variety of options, from compact models to those with advanced features like built-in rotisseries and dehydrators. Watch our video to find the perfect air fryer for your cooking needs, whether you're making crispy chicken wings or healthy desserts. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations. Number 7. GoWise 7-Quart Electric Air Fryer. The GoWise USA 7-Quart Air Fryer is the one we turn to most for cooking in large batches since it's so big. In our tests, it air-fried crispy fries and juicy wings that we kept going back to nosh on. Its air fryer basket has an oblong shape, which allows more cooking in a single layer than round baskets, a big benefit when it comes to dehydrating. This GoWise air fryer comes with 3 additional racks that stack, which sets it apart from others on the market. The stacking racks allow you to air fry and dehydrate up to 4 layers at a time. It's also available in red if you want a pop of color on your kitchen counter.
Dinner, dessert, all in just one touch. You can even create your own healthy snacks using the dehydrator function and 3 included racks. Not sure where to start? We've got you covered. Each air fryer comes with
Number 6. Ninja Speedy Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer. The Ninja Speedy Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer is one of the newest air fryers we've tested. While it looks different and is somewhat larger than most air fryers on the market, it's worth making room for on your counter. The 2-in-1 appliance not only air fries well and quickly, but it works similarly to a multi-cooker and can be used to sear, saute, bake, roast, broil, steam, slow cook, proof, cook sous vide, and even dehydrate. It can also steam and bake, air fry at the same time for the juiciest and most flavorful results. Number 5. Instant Pot Vortex Plus Clear Cook. Air fryers from Instant, the same brand that makes Instant Pot multi-cookers, have been on our list of best air fryers since we started testing them. The ones we tested, including this one, are easy to program and high-performing. This one particularly stands out for its see-through window design, which allows you to peer inside without pulling out the basket. It also has a light that can be turned on manually, and that turns on automatically right before the timer goes off. Number 4. Cuisinart Convection Toaster Oven. Cuisinart was one of the first brands to introduce a toaster oven air fryer that allows you to toast, bake, air fry, and convection bake. We tested this digital version, which not only made the crispiest air-fried food in the shortest amount of time out of all the air fryers we tested, but also some of the most evenly colored toast in our toaster oven test. The rectangular 15.5 by 16 inches air fry rack offers a large cooking surface and sits atop a drip, crumb tray for easy cleanup. Since launching the toaster oven air fryer, Cuisinart also introduced a smaller, non-digital version with the same features and quality performance, as well as a same-sized model with a grill pan that we're eager to test.
Broil, pizza, roast, toast, bagel, reheat, warm, and dual cook. Additional one-touch air frying presets include favorites, fries, chicken wings, nuggets, snacks, and veggies. The one-touch dual cook feature enables you to combine 2 cooking times.
Number 3. Dash Compact Air Fryer. The Dash Compact is a good air fryer for people who cook only for themselves or for someone who's new to air frying and wants to try it out. At 2 quarts, it can quickly cook 1 portion of food. The smaller footprint means it takes up less room on your counter, and its compact basket means easier cleaning. This model has a dial timer, which makes it a little tricky to program to the exact minute. The temperature is also set via a dial and doesn't offer many options, but we found the Dash was still a good pick since we use the max 400 EGF temperature to air fry most foods. We love that it comes in an assortment of colors that pop, unlike most air fryers on the market.
Lets you prepare delicious fried food in a healthier way. Our Air Crisp technology rapidly circulates the air to cook crispy food with little to no oil. I personally love using this air fryer at home. I love making fried chicken wings without any of the guilt of using too much oil and without sacrificing any flavor. Helping you eat better is at the core of everything we do here at Dash.
Number 2, Cosori Pro 2 5.8 quart air fryer. Though it's not the least expensive air fryer on our list, this Cosori air fryer is a great value. It's straightforward, easy to use, and can feed an entire family without costing a fortune. It has a 5.8 quart square basket, which offers a lot of cooking space, especially compared with its round competitors. The basket is removable and lightweight, with many vents for optimal air circulation. The control panel is loaded with presets that are programmed with recommended cooking temperatures and times, including a preheat option. The Cosori air fryer can also be used in a manual setting if none of the presets aren't the perfect fit.
Your fryer's full potential? Download the VSync app to connect your smart fryer to your smartphone. With VSync, you can browse 100 online recipes personally created by our Cosori chefs. Something catch your eye? Automatically input settings by selecting the recipe you want, or remotely make adjustments. Schedule cook times hours in advance so you can coordinate.
Number 1, Ninja Air Fryer Max 40. This 5.5 quart basket-style Ninja Air Fryer Max 40 was the top performer in our air fryer test. It scored the highest marks across the board for ease of use, thanks to its intuitive, easy-to-read buttons and clear and useful owner's manual. During our tests, the air fryer basket slid in and out easily, which made handling a breeze. We're fans of the basket's removable tray and slick, ceramic interior, which makes it non-stick. The tray also fits snugly and securely on the bottom of the basket, so you don't have to worry about it falling out when you turn the food out onto a plate. Both basket and tray are dishwasher safe and easy to clean, even if you choose to hand wash.
Broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. The ceramic basket is both non-stick and dishwasher safe.
Press the air fry button and use the temp and time up and down arrows to adjust the cook time and temperature. The air roast function can be used to roast